Hi, this is Kenn Renner, America's home buying expert, right here at the new Hidden Trails subdivision that's in the right off I-35 in the Belton School District, the highest rated school district in the Bell County, Central Texas area. And this is the Estero model. This is absolutely some of the best pricing and best terms that we've been able to find anywhere in Central Texas. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. It's in the just under 1,500, under 1,600 square feet, and it's laid out really well. And once again, we're in Bell County, right off I-35. Great location. Belton schools. We're the homes are, there's only 50 lots right now that are developed, so they're going quick. They already sold 8 within 3 weeks. You can see they have vinyl, luxury vinyl plank. I'll go ahead and expand out here. And granite countertops, LED lighting, oversized windows, which I really do like it that they're going to bigger windows. D.R. Horton is America's builder, the biggest builder in America by volume and sales. So nice laid out floor plan. A lot of the floor plans of the one-stories are similar to this, where you have the breakfast area and and next to the dining area, and then into the living room. So it allows everybody to enjoy each other rather than being cordoned off into certain sections. You got to, oftentimes I'll throw in a stainless steel refrigerator, and also you can see the granite countertops are really nice, and they do carry in through the bathrooms as well. There are appliance packages you can negotiate, which are washer, dryer, and refrigerator. If you're a first-time homebuyer, it's great to not have to pay for those things. But if you're an investor, we would probably just recommend the refrigerator. This is really good. A tile backsplash in the shower, which is unusual. And of course, the silestone or the quartz countertops. Two bedrooms in the front of the house. Decent size. These are ranging in the 220s. Extra bedroom. This is bedroom 3. So they've turned it into an office, of course. And then we have the master. So for just under 1,600 square foot, a 4-bedroom is really no wasted space in this house. Vinyl plank flooring in the bathrooms. A stand-up shower. And decent sized closet. Goes all the way back. So once again, in this area, to find anything under 250 is amazing. You got your backyard. Don't need too much. Relatively flat. It is very convenient, right outside, right off of I-35, across from the Expo Center. About 10 minutes at the most into downtown Belton with all the restaurants and the festivals that they have and the incredible barbecue. Really a good plan, and I love working with D.R. Horton. They really do take care of their customers and clients and their realtors. So give me a call, Ken, 512-423-5626, and I'll set up a private tour with you. We can even do by Zoom if you'd like. So talk to you soon. Kenn Renner here in Belton, Texas. Thanks. Bye.